Today I'm going to show you how to submit an assignment on Learning Suite. So from the main page, the first thing you need to do is choose your class. You just click on it. From there, you need to go to the assignment that you're turning in. That could be on the home page with the upcoming schedule, where I'm submitting Reading Reflection 1. We can also go to Grades and choose the assignment from there. And when you pull up the information on it, the details, you just click the View Submit button, choose File, and then you just need to search for the document you want. So here are my readings, and I just click Choose and Submit.